Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how I make my quick and easy Rotel dip. First things first, we're going to start out with a little oil in the pan. Then I'm going to move on to the chopped vegetables that I added, which is a half an onion, bell pepper, green, red, orange. The red and orange bell peppers were actually sweet bell peppers, but you can use the regular ones as well. They will still taste just as bomb. So we're going to go ahead and saute that in the pan, allow that to, soften up a bit and allow those flavors to combine. So saute that up really nicely. So once your bell peppers and your onion have softened a bit and the aromas start to come together, you're going to then add your meat of your choice. I'm using ground turkey. This is what I normally use. I've seen people use pork sausage, turkey sausage. Whatever your get down is, you can use that. It'll still be just as good. So you're going to go ahead and combine the meat together with the veggies and all that good stuff. And we're going to brown it. We're going to bring it to a brown, okay? We want cooked meat over here. We don't want nothing undone, okay? So we're going to bring that together, brown it up really nicely. And then we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings in just a bit. So now once the meat has come to a bit of a brown, it still has more cooking to do. We're going to get prepared to season this, okay? We want to season your meat, your food. You want to season that well, okay? So what I like to use is a bit of black pepper, sea salt, also have some Tony's Creole seasoning in there, garlic and onion powder, a bit of cumin, and a bit of ground red pepper. I add that all into the meat and, combine that together. Once I combine everything together, I will then prepare to go ahead and put 1 cup of water into the meat so I can just allow that to cook down. And at this point, you're just going to leave it alone, okay? Allow that to cook down really nicely and brown even more. So the meat has come to a nice brown. We'll then add the Rotel can. This is the no salt added one. So that's all you need. And you don't need no extra salt when you got good seasoned up meat. You don't need no extra salt. So just get the no salt added one. Then I'll add some, a half a stick of cream cheese into this. See, this is different because we're not adding Velveeta. So we're going to do the half a stick of cream cheese. Incorporate that. I kind of just put in there and let it melt down a bit because I did have it sitting out for a little bit, but it wasn't completely softened. So I just, let that melt down in the pan a bit, stir it up really nicely, and then we're going to prepare for the next step, which will be a little bit of milk. Just a tiny bit just to get everything together. And then we're going to add our cheese. I'm using Sharp and Cheddar Jack. You can use whatever cheese you like. So once your cheese is in, you want to go ahead and fully incorporate everything one last time, okay? This is it, y'all. This is quick and easy Rotel dip. I wasn't lying, okay? This is it. So you have nothing left to do but serve you up a nice plate. Preferably make sure it's nice and hot when you eat this, and there's nothing left to do but enjoy it, okay? So I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell so you won't miss a beat on when I do post. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.